Hello, welcome to Kurdish lessons again. So this is Guleb, is your Kurdish teacher. Welcome to Kurdish lessons. So one more time, it's always a pleasure to see you here, watching me and joining my lessons. So today's video will be about a new challenge. I am not sure if you know our challenge. So far we had two challenges. First of them was for intermediate level. So it was for 30 days. During a month, each morning I sent a new text with glossary and exercises to our participants. So it was great. And the second one was for elementary level. We did the same. I sent text to our students, our participants. They read, they reviewed the glossary, they learned new vocabulary, they saw the sentences, the most important one. They saw how to create a sentence, like the way we create sentences in Kurdish, which is really important. And so this one, the new challenge, is for beginners. Yes, it is for beginners. So I know for a beginner student, the most difficult thing is to find good material for beginner level. We have many podcasts, many videos, even TV series. We have some on YouTube, but they're for other levels, not for beginners. And a beginner student never understands what's going on in the movies, in the videos. It's really hard. So I think the most difficult part is to find materials, beginner materials, right? That's why I decided to create a beginner challenge. So today, so it will start on June, 1st of June, hopefully. I will send the participants first text. So you will read the text. You will see the glossary, and there will be quizzes, exercises, and at the end of the reading text. Okay, so they will be really easy, because my aim is to teach you the basic things for beginner level, and to see the sentences, the structure, the place of verb, adverbs, adjectives, nouns, everything. Okay, so it will start in June. It will take 30 days. It's always 30 days. I don't know why. Why not 31? But 30 days. So I'm sure it will be helpful. So for those who wants to enroll, I will put an enrollment link under the video, so you will see it. And this video is for an example. So today I prepared a text, which is quite easy and rich at the same time. So we will be reading the text, and I will translate it for you, and there will be glossary and then questions. Okay, so if you are ready, let's read our text. So our text called Zozan ou Metro. Zozan is a lady, so Zozan is a female proper name, Zozan, which means meadow. It's a very lovely name, meadow. And the metro is the metro, it's a transportation. So let's read it. So first I will read the whole text, and then we will go sentence by sentence. Okay? زوزان انها دچه رستوران دوری مالاویه او بپیاتی ناچه او بمتروی دچه نزیکی مالاوی مترو هیه او مترو گلکی کونه هر روز گلک کس بمتروی دچن کار خواه مالا خواه دبستان خواه تاخا خواه زاننگه خواه زوزان جمتروی حزدکه جبرکو مترو بلزه مترو ج اتوبوس بلستره مترو ج ترین بلستره لمترو ج بالافره نبلستره مترو بدنگ دیچه زوزان د متروی ده پرتوکان روزنامه‌یان و کوواران دخوینه زوزان پر حەز دکێ di metroyê de tiştinan bixwîne. Gelek mirov di metroyê de bi telefonên xwe dilîzin. Lê Zozan wisa nake. Zozan di metroyê de dixwîne û hîn dibe. Hevalên Zozanê jî di metroyê de dixwînin. Hevalên Zozanê weke wê ne. Xwîşk û birayên Zozanê li metroyê swar nabin. Ji ber ku ew ji trênan zêdetir hez dikin. Ew hez dikin li derdorê temaşe bikin û li müzîkê guhdarî bikin. So this one is not a very hard text. It is not very easy, of course, but the verbs I used are the same. They are just حسكرن, خوندن, and listen, and chewing. So very basic verbs for a Kurdish conversation. So now let's start. So we will review the text like part of part, not sentence by sentence. It will take time. So I did 3 parts. Okay. So the first part. Zozan niha diçe restorante. Restoran duri malawiye. Ew bi peyatî naçe. Ew bi metroyê diçe. Nêzîkî mala wê metro heye. Ew metro gelekî kevne. Her roj gelek kes bi metroyê diçe karê xwe, mala xwe, dibistana xwe, taxa xwe, zanîngeha xwe. So the first sentence, Zozan niha diçe restorante. So Zozan now is going to restaurant. So niha is right now. Niha. Diçe restorante. So as you know, in Kurmanji, the indirect objects always at the end. So we never say as restaurante diçim. As diçim restaurante. Okay. So restaurant duri malawiye. Restaurant is far from her house. Restaurant duri malawiye. Restaurant is far from her house. So we can say karemin duri malamine. Or mala malbatamin, the house of my family, mala malbatamin duri mine is far from me. Okay? So third sentence, ew bupayati nache. She doesn't go on foot. Ew bupayati nache. Bupayati is on foot, okay? Ew b'metro ediche. She goes by metro. Ew b'metro ediche. So we always use b with transportation and when we speak about on foot. Okay? So بعربية by car, بمتروية, بترينة, ببالافرة, بكشتية, ببوتة, بترامواية. Okay? B. We need b. So fourth sentence. نزيكي مالاوي مترو هيا. نزيكي مالاوي مترو هيا. So there is a metro close to her house. نزيكي مالاوي metro هيا. Literally close to her house, metro exists. Metro there is. Okay? Our metro geleki kevne. That metro is very old. Our metro geleki kevne. That metro is very old. Gelekes بمترو دچن کار خواه، مالا خواه، دبستان خواه، تاخا خواه، زاننگه خواه. So every day, many people goes to their work, their house, their school, their neighborhood, their university by metro. هر روز گلک کس به متروی دچن کار خواه، مالا خواه، دبستان خواه، تاخا خواه و زاننگه خواه. Okay? So it was the first part. I hope you understood everything, not almost, but everything. Okay, so the second part. Zozan ji metroya hazdike. Zozan enjoys the metro. Zozan likes the metro. Zozan loves the metro. Jberku, because. Jberku metro bleze, because the metro is fast. is fast, okay? جبالكو metro بلزة. بلز is fast. Metro جي autobus بلسترة. Metro is faster than a bus. Metro جي ترين بلسترة. Metro is faster than a train. لي بات metro جي بالافرين بلسترة. But metro is not faster than a plane. لي metro جي بالافرين بلسترة. Metro بدنگ دچه. Metro goes silently. Okay? Bedeng is both a verb, both an adjective and adverb. Bedeng دچه goes quietly. زوزان د متروی ده پرتوکان روزنامه‌ان و کواران دخوینه. زوزان reads books, newspapers and journals in the metro. زوزان د متروی ده پرتوکان روزنامه‌ان و کواران دخوینه. زوزان پر حزد که د متروی ده تشتنان بخوینه. زوزان really likes reading things in the metro. Third part. قالك مروف د متروی ده بتلفون خود لیزن. Many people play with their phones in the metro. Le زوزان و سناکه. But زوزان doesn't do that, doesn't do such, doesn't do this way. Le زوزان و سناکه. زوزان د متروی ده دخوینه و هندبه. زوزان reads and learns in the metro. زوزان د متروی ده دخوینه و هندبه. حوالین زوزان جی د متروی ده دخوینن. Friends of زوزان also read in the metro. حوالین زوزان جی د متروی ده دخوینن. حوالین زوزان وکوینه. Friends of زوزان are like her. وکوینه. So they are not different from her, but they are the same. وکوینه. خوشکو براین زوزان لمتروی سوار نابن. The sisters and brothers of Zozan don't get on the metro because جبركو أو جترينان زيدتر حزدكن because they love trains more. أو حزدكن لدردوري تماشا بكن ولموسيقى جهداري بكن. They enjoy watching around and listening to music. أو حزدكن لدردوري تماشا بكن ولموسيقى جهداري بكن. I will read the whole text for last time and then we will check the glossary, okay? So listen to me carefully. زوزان نهادچه رستورانته. رستورانت دوری مالاویه. أو بپیاتی ناچه. أو بمترو يدچه. نيزيكي مالاوي مترو هيا. أو مترو قلكي كفنه. هر روش قلك كس بمترو يدچن كاري خواه، مالا خواه، دبستانا خواه، تاخا خواه، زاننگه خواه. زوزان جمترو يحزدكي. جبركو مترو بلزه because metro is fast. مترو جي اتوبوس بلستره. مترو جي ترين بلستره. لي مترو جي بالافرين نبلستره. مترو بدنگ دچه. زوزان د مترو ده پرتوکان روزنامه‌ان و کواران دخوینه. زوزان پر حزدکه د مترو ده تشتنان بخوینه. قالك مروف د مترو ده بتلفون خود لیزن. لي زوزان و سناکه. زوزان د مترو ده دخوینه و هندبه. حوالين زوزان جي د مترو ده دخوینن. حوالين زوزان وكوينه. خوشكو براين زوزان المترو سوار نابن. جبركو أو جترينان زيادة حزدكن. أو حزدكن لدردوري تماشا بكن والموسيقى جهداري بكن. So that's all. Now let's have a look at glossary. So you see at the end of the text, you see a list of words that I think will be useful to see them as a list. So dur is a far, duri, far from, bupayati, on foot, nezik, near or close, neziki, close to, tach, neighborhood, shibarku, because, blez, fast, blister, faster, balafir, plain, bedeng, quite silent, pertuk, book, rojname, newspaper, kovar, journal, wusa, so such that, weka, like as, le tatatan suar bun, to get on something, zedatir, more, lidardore, tamashakran, to watch around. So you see here is the list. It is quite long, and now you see the questions. So I will read questions for you, and your task will be rereading the text and answer the questions and write your answers as a comment under the video. Okay, I will check them. So first question, Zozan dice ku, where is she going? Zozan bıçı dice, Zozan goes by what? Zozan çama jimetroye hazdike. Why does Zozan like the metro? Zozan the metro de çudike. What is she doing in the metro? What does she do in metro? Khushku Brian Zozane çama jimetroye haznakan. Why the siblings of Zozan doesn't like metro? So as I said, read the text, okay, out loud. Read it out loud several times. And if you have time, rewrite the text but change Zozan as I. So instead of Zozan, you will say as naha tichum restaurante. As bupayati nachum. As b'metro yedichum. Nezi malaman metro haya, okay? If you just change the subject, it will be amazingly useful, okay? So because you will be ready to speak about yourself as the chum, as the kum, as the hum, as has the kum, etc. So as I said, it was just an example for beginner challenge. I hope you enjoyed the text, you learned with me, and you are improving your Kurmanji skills every day. And you know, if you want to see and read more text apart from the challenge, you can check our website KurdishLessons.com, and there you will see blog. Click there, you will see many texts which I translated from English for Kurmanji. So so they are both English and Kurmanji, so you can see and you can compare the languages in this case. So thank you so much. قالك سباس مالا وآفا از بديتنا وقالك كيف خوش بم وأز هرتم كيف خوش دبم لخوا باش بنرن. Take care of yourself. هاي خوا هبن. Take care of yourself. Have a perfect week, and let me know if you have any questions. So Kurdish Lessons 2019@gmail.com. It's our Gmail for you to contact us whenever you need help or questions. Bye bye. بخاطر